Have you tried my Mandarin orange Agar-Agar jelly recipe? It's made with only 3 ingredients: coconut water, Agar-Agar powder, and Mandarin orange.
It looks beautiful and fancy, but it's really easy to make. And guess what? It is super tasty and refreshing. Let's get started.
I got these molds from Amazon. They are heat-proof. Each one holds about 1.5 cups liquid, or 355 milliliters. You could also replace them with other containers like bowls or cups. Here I have 3 Mandarin oranges. You could also use other fruits that you enjoy. My daughter Emma is also helping me out today. Place a Mandarin orange in each mold. In a small pot, pour in the coconut water. Then add the Agar-Agar powder. Agar-Agar is made from seaweed and processed into powders. It's similar to gelatin, but the texture is firmer. It's available in most Asian grocery stores and on Amazon. If you like, you could also add sugar at this point. Whisk until everything is dissolved. Place the pot over high heat, stirring constantly, and bring it to a boil. Turn to medium heat. Continue to stir constantly and simmer for about 2 minutes. The ratio is 1 teaspoon of Agar-Agar powder to 1 US measurement cup, which is about 236.6 milliliters. Pour the liquid into each mold. Rest under room temperature for about 45 minutes. And flip it on a flat surface. Today, I'd like to also share a video platform with you. Have you heard of Ganjing World? My family and I absolutely love it. It's different than other video sharing platforms, as in there's no violence and harmful content. There are a variety of entertainment shows that you can choose from. My videos are on it too. So please subscribe to my channel and support many others on Ganjing World. Enjoy!
This is absolutely amazing. It's kind of like eating jello, but it's firmer. It's slightly sweet, but not too much. It's just so good. I hope that you enjoyed today's episode also. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like, and I will see you again soon. Bye!